Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. And on this channel, we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. In today's Health Coach Hack, I am going to show you my 5 favorite smoothie recipes. I hope you guys enjoyed these smoothie recipes as the weather starts to warm up. Certainly use frozen for now, but once we get into those summer months, you can use a lot of fresh berries and fresh produce for your smoothies. Guys, let me know your favorite smoothie recipe in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be subscribed to our email list so you know all the happenings in the cucina before anybody else. I will see you guys next week. That is it for today's Health Coach Hack. Salud.